Well, this is the new grinder linisher installation at Jacklore Knives Workshop, and it's all thanks to a very, very kind man who built this machine for me. That's brummiejohn. brummiejohn 200 is his YouTube channel. I don't really know what to say, because I mean, a machine like this, it's just you can't get them in this country. You've got to order them in from overseas, and it's just made the whole process of knife making for me. It stepped it up to a much higher level. I can achieve a higher standard of finish. I can put the grinds on a lot faster, a lot more accurately. The machine's got plenty of power compared to what I was using before. I've got a 1 horsepower induction motor, single phase, which powers the machine. The motor runs at about 1500 RPM and steps it up twice to 3000 RPM for the machine. So the back pulley is spinning at 3000 RPM, and it's just an incredible machine. Thank you very much, John. I've had to bring it out because it's deeper than my workbench, so I brought it out and supported it on a little work area, and just clamp a little 90-degree table to that as a work surface. And behind here is a lovely, strong, thick, heavy platen, 6mm thick. Runs on bearings top and bottom. I can contour on these bearings here as well. And here's some of the knives I'm working on at the moment, and you can just see the standard I'm getting on the profiles of these Jacklores. Anyone that's waiting for a Jacklore knife at the moment, I think there's about 6 orders outstanding. Probably going to be finishing these in about 8 to 10 days time. They're going to go off to Brian Brybo, who's making the sheaths for these. He does an extremely high quality job, so we're stepping up the quality control, stepping up. Well, it's just a learning curve all round, really, isn't it? You know, and things are improving all the time, as they're bound to, because, you know, I've not been knife making that long, really. So some more here to finish off on a linisher profiler. Then it'll be over to the drill press, drill the handle holes in and the glue holes, and then back onto the belt grinder again for the bevels, and then heat treating, and then final grinds, tidy up, polish up, fit the scales. So that's an update. I'll let you see the machine running. So that's it, it's perfect. Thanks very much, John. Brilliant job. it. Time for a cup of tea.
Time for a cup of tea?
Time for a cup of tea. Tea break.
Sounds like a plan, Sand.
Tea break.
Tell you what, Sandy.
What's that?
A couple of nice chocolate biscuits wouldn't go amiss, bruv.
A cup of chocolate biscuits?
No, a nice couple of chocolate biscuits
right,
wouldn't go amiss.
You got any of it?
No, but you have, haven't you?
Have I?
You better have.
What do you reckon then?
Very good. Very good a boy.
ran the first knife bevel on this new machine, and I think the camera's picking it up okay. It's superb, even grind. So don't put the final cutting edge on just yet. This knife will be heat treated next, and then after heat treating, then I'll finally put the cutting edge on. But you can see how even the grind is. So that's a winner. No worries there, John. Look at that. Easy to control as well. The platen is superb. That big thick piece of metal for the platens. That's absolutely superb. That's a true flat edge, that is.